Colku RV Upright Refrigerator Control Panel Instruction. Single Zone Models. Dual Zone Models. Dual Zone Control Panel. Button Operations. Power Switch. The power button turns the refrigerator on or off. Plus, minus buttons and setting button. Use the setting button to adjust temperature. Plus increases the temperature. Minus decreases the temperature. After adjustments, the display will revert to show the actual internal temperature without operation after 6 seconds. Press the setting button once to adjust the freezer temperature. Dual zone freezer temperature range -18 to -5 degrees Celsius. Press the setting button twice to adjust the fridge temperature. Dual zone fridge temperature range 0 to 10 degrees Celsius. Single zone fridge temperature range 0 to 10 degrees Celsius. Setting button, turbo cooling mode. Press the setting button to turn turbo mode on or off. When the indicator light is on, turbo mode is active. Setting button, switch between Fahrenheit and Celsius. Press the setting button 3 times to switch between Celsius and Fahrenheit. Once the display stops flashing, the setting will be saved automatically. Night mode setting. Press and hold both buttons to turn on or off the night mode. H1 indicates night mode is on. The display will turn off automatically after 1 minute. HO indicates night mode is off. The display will always light. Switching dual zone refrigerator to single zone control. You may remove the freezer compartment to activate single zone mode. The freezer removal process is as follows. Removing the freezer compartment increases the fridge storage space. Press and hold both buttons for 6 seconds to enter the settings menu, and select Z1 to activate single zone mode. At this time, the freezer display will turn off, and the freezer function will be temporarily suspended. Only the fridge display can work. The temperature can be adjusted between -8 and 10 degrees Celsius. Switching back to the dual temperature control function. To restore dual zone control, the freezer compartment must be reinstalled. The freezer installation process is as follows. Freezer installation completed. The button operation is as follows. Press and hold the 2 buttons for 6 seconds to enter the setup interface. Then select Z2 to access the dual temperature control function. Once the flashing ends, the dual zone function is successfully restored. This concludes the operating instructions for the Colku RV Upright Refrigerator's control panel.